In other news, Singapore companies can seize growth opportunities that arise from China's expansion and global presence. Minister in charge of the Suzhou Industrial Park, Chun Sing, highlighted this during an interview that marks 30 years of ties with the Chinese city. Nadirah Zaidi with more.
Getting right into the knots. That's the job of Emma, a robotic masseur at medical technology startup iTreat. It's a product of years of research, with help from their team based in the Suzhou Industrial Park, or SIP. This Singapore-Suzhou partnership allows the firm to tap different expertise to develop their products and services.
And China is very strong in the supply chain, in the R&D in the mechanical and electronics. And Singapore, we are very strong in artificial intelligence, the algorithms, the software of the robotics.
For this company, establishing themselves in the park is also a gateway to international opportunities.
In China, the hospital has a huge pool of patients which can support us to speed up the clinical studies for NMPA registration. It also will help us to have a better standing in terms of FDA applications in the United States.
The goal of SIP is to develop mutual opportunities for economic growth and transformation. In 2023, the SIP's economy achieved GDP growth of 5.9% on year. This is above the Chinese national average of 5.2%. Besides economic benefits, Minister in charge of the Suzhou Industrial Park, Chun Sing, says SIP is also a symbol of Singapore's commitment to work with China and a good way for the world to build confidence in China.
We hope to see in Suzhou many ideas, industries, governance models, even how people live, that can be a role model for many parts of the world. And if we can do that, even in a fragmenting world, in a world where there are contesting blocks, this is, I think, a chance for China to demonstrate its contributions to the broader world.
Even with growing US-China tensions, Mr. Chan believes there will be opportunities. But to seize them, it's important to continue nurturing confidence.
For China to open up, for China to try new ideas with a partner that is not from China, in China, requires a deep sense of trust. And that sense of trust must permeate at all levels, from the highest political level to the working level, so that we can get things done, especially things that have never been done before.
In the next phase of the Suzhou Industrial Park, the focus will be on green development, biomedical sciences, and digitalization.